Here's a move that could reshape the entire CAR-T therapy landscape. Bristol-Myers Squibb just dropped a massive $1.5 billion in cold, hard cash to snatch up Orbital Therapeutics. And this acquisition signals something much bigger than just another corporate buyout. The pharmaceutical giant is making an aggressive push deeper into the cellular therapy arena, specifically targeting what many consider the holy grail of cancer treatment innovation. By acquiring this New Jersey-based biotech company, Bristol-Myers isn't just expanding its portfolio, it's positioning itself at the forefront of a revolutionary approach that could fundamentally change how we treat cancer. But here's where it gets controversial. This acquisition puts Bristol-Myers in direct competition with some of the biggest names in biotechnology, essentially declaring war in what's becoming an increasingly crowded and expensive battlefield. The $1.5 billion price tag isn't just significant, it's a statement that traditional pharmaceutical companies are willing to pay premium prices to avoid being left behind in the next generation of cancer therapeutics. For those unfamiliar with CAR-T therapy, think of it as reprogramming a patient's own immune system to become a highly targeted cancer-fighting machine. Unlike traditional chemotherapy that attacks both healthy and cancerous cells, CAR-T treatments involve extracting a patient's T cells, a type of immune cell, genetically modifying them in a laboratory to better recognize and destroy cancer cells, then infusing these supercharged cells back into the patient's body. What makes Orbital Therapeutics particularly attractive is their focus on in vivo CAR-T approaches. Traditional CAR-T therapies require complex, time-consuming, and expensive manufacturing processes that can take weeks and cost hundreds of thousands of dollars per patient. In vivo methods, however, aim to deliver the genetic modifications directly inside the patient's body. And this is the part most people miss. While current CAR-T therapies have shown remarkable success in treating certain blood cancers, they've struggled with solid tumors and come with serious side effects that can be life-threatening. Orbital's approach could potentially address both of these critical limitations, which explains why Bristol-Myers was willing to write such a substantial check. The timing of this acquisition is particularly telling. As healthcare costs continue to skyrocket and pressure mounts for more accessible cancer treatments, companies that can deliver effective therapies at lower costs will likely dominate the market. Bristol-Myers clearly believes that Orbital's technology could be the key to unlocking this competitive advantage. However, this raises some thought-provoking questions about the future of cancer treatment accessibility. Will these advanced therapies remain available only to patients in wealthy countries with robust healthcare systems? Or could innovations like Orbital's in vivo approach finally democratize access to cutting-edge cancer treatments globally? What's your take on this massive investment? Do you think Bristol-Myers is making a smart strategic move? Or are they overpaying for technology that might not deliver on its promises? And more importantly, should we be concerned about a few pharmaceutical giants controlling the future of cancer treatment innovation? Share your thoughts. This is exactly the kind of industry shakeup that deserves a heated debate in the comments below.